come.
Why go to London when you can go to Lonavala? You don't need Shahrukh, Ajay,
No universe.
Akshay together over Tiger Shroff.
Challu bhai is the whole universe.
डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प कितना टैरिफ लगाना चाहते हो तुम?
Run it up.
श्रीलंका थोड़ा श्रीलंकन इकोनॉमी जैसा चल रहा है. Unpredictable. Sometimes doing well, sometimes not doing well.
I hope Party Rana doesn't have to start singing songs by next year. Say na something. Welcome to Cricket's episode number 44.
It is
Hanuma Vihari for a reason. We are
Hanuma kind.
Hanuma kind. Run it up. Run it up. Big fan. Big fan.
Yeah,
I
of
love it.
Hanuma also. Sydney Test.
Yeah.
If we remember. Never forget.
Never forget Hanuma Vihari, who we just realized is quite a young guy. हम लोग
He's
सोच रहे थे
younger,
बहुत
yeah.
senior campaigner है वो.
Yeah, he's younger than me. I think the hair transplant he needed.
Oh yeah, he's one of our hair transplant.
He is not. No.
Oh, he's not.
That's why I think.
उसका मतलब है पूरा अभी
उसका
बाल.
नहीं, उसके जा रहे हैं, but उसने कराया नहीं है.
Oh, that's why he's seeming older
He's
than
seeming
he is.
older than
समझ
he
गया,
is,
समझ
and
गया. He's not in the IPL, right?
he's not in the IPL also. I think so. Yeah, I don't think so. He's
Why
there.
is Hanuma? Is he like he was never like a fast, like he couldn't hit like at T20 rates basically.
No,
he was more of a
only
ODI specialist.
ODI specialist, Test specialist.
Sorry, FDI, 5-day international. I like to call test matches FDIs.
FDIs, which is also leaving India, foreign direct investment.
Why don't we say 5-day international? Huh? 5 years. Ashamed of the fact कि 5 दिन होता है.
हाँ,
test.
तीन
ODI
में
बोल
खत्म
रहे
हो
थे.
जाता है ना
That's
कभी-कभी.
true. Multiple day international MDI.
Actually, what if they play like every day,
Yeah.
like for 50-50 overs, and then whoever
Best of 5.
best of 5 or whoever's the maximum at the end of the this thing runs wise,
हाँ.
they win. So you get to play every day.
Every day सबको बैटिंग मिलती है.
सबको yeah, T20 style like you eventually.
यही तो मेन है भाई, बैटिंग मिलनी चाहिए. Am I
Yeah.
right? I
Guys,
like the idea.
What do you think? We
I
need to
think it's
propose
a-
to BCCI.
Yeah, this is how we save cricket, guys.
Yeah.
New idea. Sorry, but we are.
See, this guy's just come back from Australia. We need to address the elephant
Yeah,
in the room.
I've been playing at the Big Bash.
Yeah, at the MCG playing rugby.
Yeah, AFL चल रहा है उधर. Aussie rules football,
Yeah.
which is they sell more tickets there in the MCG for Aussie rules football than for cricket.
What are you saying?
Yeah, so the
That's
max-
gross. Australia, yuck.
So I did a MCG tour. I'll put a Antriksh. I'll send you the photos to put
Yes.
up to prove कि मैं
Yes, I'm
MCG में
also
था.
going. मेरे
Yeah,
को
and
भी
he'll be
पता.
going next episode में. His
हाँ.
का photo आएगा उधर से.
मैं लेना चाहिए. I get so
ले, ले, ले.
overwhelmed. तूने selfie लिया?
नहीं, the guy took my photo.
Oh, nice.
And the guide, he was a little senior man, very good guide. And he even, I told him, because I was trying to sell tickets for my shows in the Melbourne festival, comedy festival. So I told him कि conference room में I'll sit and can you record me doing a promo?
Nice.
And I did the promo. I'm like, 3 more shows left, come buy tickets. And he even asked me questions. Ki,
Yeah.
what kind of comedy are you doing? I'm like, oh,
wow.
observational. It's a universal comedy. It's in
Nice.
English. He's like, and how much did you pay to come here? I'm like, I'll tell you off camera.
Yeah.
ये सब किया.
Nice.
फिर घर पहुंचा, देखा कि अंकल ने रिकॉर्ड नहीं प्रेस
Oh
किया था
my
ठीक से. तो
God.
आधा प्रोमो है मेरे पास. I couldn't use the promo, but I was
You
there.
one press conference ahead of our Mananiya.
That's right. Oh, that's right. मैंने तो कर दिया.
शमिक ने एक्स्ट्रा कर दिया.
दोस्ती बने रहे. And then तो उसका हाँ, so AFL
sells more
he
tickets.
told me कि maximum ever sales in MCG for ODI is like 1,06,000 something
Okay.
on a day.
Hmm.
And max for a AFL game is 1,24,000.
Wow.
So yeah, उनका
Australians,
main
you gotta buckle up on your taste.
Seriously,
Because
dude.
cricket's way above
That's right.
rugby.
Number one.
Yeah, because we can't run.
Yeah. Also, AFL was invented by cricket players
What?
as a time pass. Udhar they were playing
Oh my god.
in the middle. They're like, let's combine some sports. And,
Oh my
AFL
God.
was created.
That's gross. Australians, you need to buck up. Like, I'm not jealous of your 6 World Cups anymore, knowing this fact.
But it's also interesting कि cricket is a sport जहाँ तुम बिटवीन द स्पोर्ट सोचते कुछ और एक और स्पोर्ट बनाए क्या अभी ट्राई करे क्या ये तो मजा आ रहा है अभी थोड़ा और एनर्जी
थोड़ा कैलोरी बर्न करे क्या क्योंकि इसमें तो टी और ब्रेकफास्ट और लंच एंड सोरे
सोरे सो एनीवे अभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया करके आया मैं एंड
दैट्स व्हाई द डिले इन एपिसोड
या एंड ही वाज इन गोवा आई वाज गोइंग टू मैसेज यू ए शैल वी रिकॉर्ड एपिसोड फिर मैं देखा ये भी बीच में है मैं भी बीच BEACH बीच और मैं भी हूँ कहीं पे and I was like नहीं हो पाया. So sorry we were missing for a week, but we are back. And I'm going to the UK. I'll plug it now only. तो
Yes,
तुम लोग
Lord's tour.
लंदन में शो देखना है तो आ जाओ. End of this month I'm doing 4 shows. Please come.
Why go to London when you can go to Lonavala? Sunil's Wax Museum. That was the tagline.
Yeah. Well, sorry to be a competitor to Sunil's Wax Museum. My logo is why go to Lonavala when you can go to London. People are like, who is making this comparison? So the fact is मैं नहीं था इधर, and I was just focusing on doing the shows. तो मैंने IPL थोड़ा मिस किया है.
Yeah.
मेरे को बस बहुत ब्रॉड ब्रश स्ट्रोक्स पता है कि क्या हो रहा है, थीम्स पता है.
हाँ.
तू मेरे को, मैं तेरे को बता दूं मेरे को क्या पता है.
Okay.
And you fill me in
Yes.
on if these are the big items.
Yeah.
Or am I missing
I mean,
something?
it's like just in the initial stages, in the
Sure.
nascent stages, in
Yeah.
the teens of
अभी
2025.
teething problems चल रहे हैं अभी IPL में. एक teething
संजीव
problem.
गोयनका की teething problem बहुत लगती है.
That's right. But I heard इन लोग अच्छा खेल रहे हैं अभी.
ये
Am
लोग
I
अच्छा
right?
खेल रहे हैं, but उसके दांत मुझे सच में गंदे लगते हैं. पता नहीं.
राज चमानी के.
नहीं वो संजीव गोयनका
अच्छा,
के. हाँ.
अच्छा.
और टीथिंग प्रॉब्लम सबके हो रहे हैं बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा जुबा केसरी बिक रहा है. एंड राजश्री. ओके, बेस्ट थिंग about this IPL,
Yes.
the biggest fuck the
Yes.
matches, you know, it's all
Yeah.
beyond matches.
Okay.
Rajshri Elaichi,
Oh, that's the new
that's
Get It Down?
another one. That is what I love about Bhai Power. Sikandar.
Oh, it is Bhai.
It is Bhai alone. You don't need Shah Rukh, Ajay,
No universe.
Akshay together, or Tiger Shroff.
Sallu Bhai is the whole universe.
Dude, he's singing भाई का ये जशन है, जशन का ये टशन है, Rajshri Elaichi, full by heart, because he's singing and dancing in AI generated Times Square.
Are you
and
serious?
पीछे सब Rajshri Elaichi.
And what is there a hook step?
डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प कितना टैरिफ लगाना चाहते हो तुम? राजश्री ने जो करके दिया है तुम्हें, खत्म कर दिया यूएस को हमने. भाई हम जीत चुके हैं.
आई थिंक हमारा पूरा इन्वेस्टमेंट पोर्टफोलियो शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा टुवर्ड्स
राजश्री.
टू ब्रिंग बैक द मनी.
पार्लियामेंट तक जाना नहीं पड़ा, टैरिफ नथिंग. राजश्री इलायची
होम डिलीवर्ड.
proud Indian supporter of Rajshri Elaichi.
कोई you can sponsor us, Rajshri
Yes,
Elaichi.
please comment.
Crickheads is open to sponsorship. By the way, उनका कुछ hook step है, like दो बूंद.
No, it's Bhai throwing Rajshri Elaichi. And the thing is, the song is so nice. It seems like it's from a Salman movie. Yeah.
Banger, huh?
Like मेरे को पूरा by heart है.
मैं download करता हूँ.
Better than Sikandar. That entire 30 seconds of Rajshri Elaichi is better than whole of Sikandar.
So Sikandar is probably, the movie is a promotion for Rajshri Elaichi.
Possible.
It's like that's the brand work for Rajshri Elaichi. The real movie is Rajshri Elaichi. But this is awesome to know there is no monopoly in the Elaichi market anymore.
Clearly.
The Elaichi.
Unlike comedy, which is about to die as an art form.
No.
You should tell the audience what happened last time. The last time we were recording, actually we were also scared of recording because the last time we were recording, what was going on?
Last time we were recording, कुछ हो रहा था comedy में in the country.
Yeah.
थोड़ा musical chairs चल रहा था, जहाँ chair को उल्टा करके फेंक रहे थे लोग instead of just removing one chair. तो थोड़ा हम tension में थे कि
while we were recording live.
While we were recording, this was happening. But now all is well and we are back.
We are
the country is killing it right now.
Yeah.
We are the
no
best.
more potholes.
Superpower by
I'm going to Australia and I'm getting ₹1 में $50 Australian.
That's right. उनका by the way AUD गिर रहा है. मैं जब गया था 55 था, अभी 51 हो रहा है.
Oh,
so India
आज ही ले रहा हूँ. Come on.
This is the revenge for
19 November 2023.
Revenge तो currency से होता है भाई.
This is how I'm supposed to go to the immigration.
This is the Forex series, VB series नहीं, Forex series है ये, ठीक है? That's the main one.
Yeah.
But sorry,
Okay,
हाँ, तो back to IPL. Last time इन्होंने हमें चिल्लाया कि IPL पे आओ भाई जल्दी.
Okay.
तो आ गए.
IPL पे बहुत जल्दी आ रहे
हैं. तो
हम
मेरे
लोग.
को मैं बता दूं मेरे को क्या पता है.
हाँ.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया से मेरे को इतना इन्फो आया है.
हाँ.
इवन इफ यू अवॉइड फुल क्रिकेट न्यूज, थला का न्यूज पहुंच जाता है.
थला
का
भाई-
न्यूज एयरवेव से आता है, तो कोई स्क्रीन पे भी नहीं आता है. यहाँ पे आया डायरेक्टली मेरे को. थला इज सफरिंग राइट नाउ. लाइक राखी
तो रात को नींद में उड़ गया ना.
राखी एंड करण अर्जुन जैसे ड्रीम आया मेरे को. लाइटनिंग आया कि थला इज गेटिंग आउट फॉर 4 रन्स. तो मेरे को पता है कि CSK स्ट्रगलिंग.
See, CSK is struggling, but you have to take it in the positive stride.
Yes.
That Thala is the only one who cares about the environment. He's been planting trees. You know, every dot ball, there's a tree that comes in. And Thala is entertaining as well as planting trees. Can you say the same about Nicholas Puran? That climate change denier,
He's
that anti-Greta Thunberg.
worst carbon footprint in the
And
IPL is Nicholas Puran.
Exactly. You know, whoever's the highest strike rate. If you want, I'll check a
I didn't
stat.
realize, dude. Thala is doing this for the environment.
Yeah, people just don't fucking get
भाई
it.
RA Forest का बदला ले रहा है Thala.
Abdul Samad, 226.92. He is the worst.
His strike rate.
His highest strike rate is, the best strike rate is him.
But
and
पुरान तो kill कर रहा है. ये भी मेरे को पता
Puran
चला है
is
कि बहुत
225
मारा
का
है.
strike rate and
हाँ.
runs. So Thala is actually doing it for the team.
Thala for a reason always.
Yeah, yeah, man.
Afforestation.
Thala for a forestation. Okay.
But
that's-
CSK भी हग रहा है in general. right?
CSK ओवरऑल तो बहुत ही हग रहा है बट थाला ने प्लांट ट्रीज किए है ठीक
Main वही
है
है.
एंड वो मेन है उसमें और क्या हो रहा है कि ही इज कमिंग आल्सो लाइक समटाइम्स आई डोंट नो
Marina Beach is now a rainforest. It's
Yeah.
not a beach anymore.
sometimes I feel he's coming out of Khalil and all if Khalil is even in their team
The great Khalil.
wait let me check if Khalil is in there I think Khalil is in there
is-
Like, I'm-
Yeah, he's in that team.
he's in their team only right yeah one second let me check
What about
No,
Pati
yeah,
Rana?
Khalil.
Pati Rana is not playing?
पार्टी राना's playing उसको बहुत चोपा पब्लिक
हो गया क्या?
अच्छा भी
स्लिंगा?
डाला एक दो मैच में हाँ स्लिंगा ने हाँ स्लिंगा has been
थोड़ा
little
एंगल चेंज करना पड़ेगा अभी थोड़ा वर्टिकल आना पड़ेगा. normal
स्लिंगा थोड़ा श्रीलंकन इकोनॉमी जैसा चल रहा है
Oh, shit.
unpredictable sometimes doing well sometimes not doing well
I hope Pati Rana doesn't have to start singing songs by next year like the OG Slinga.
यार
अभी जो बहुत गाना गा रहा है.
कहाँ पे गा रहे हैं इंडिया में के
अरे भाई
श्रीलंका में
मालिंगा अभी सिंगर हो गया है.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं
भाई मलाई मालना लसित मडोना है वो. मालिंगा नहीं है वो.
सिंगर मलिंगा
सिंगर मलिंगा.
so okay
हाँ.
so yeah so
ठीक है तो थल्ला का पता है.
so up the order also उन लोग कुछ खास नहीं कर पा रहे हैं ठीक है honestly like माही Rachin also failing little bit is an understatement everybody has been failing
Captain, skipper.
skipper Ruturaj also okay Rachin's like not failing but mid
Okay.
Devin को उन्होंने रिटायर करा दिया by the way उस दिन
हाँ I heard about
yeah
this.
140 स्ट्राइक रेट पे रिटायर करा दिया दो
is
बार
crazy.
रिटायरमेंट हुए by the way तिलक वर्मा को भी मुंबई ने रिटायर किया एक match
तिलक
में।
वर्मा को?
हाँ he was struggling that day like he was at 24 runs of 23 or something
Okay.
but they had lost the match because ऐसा नहीं कि तिलक को रिटायर करके they got Mitch Santner I'm like why what am I watching
So it's like they might be killing the confidence of a player.
yeah
for
no but then
reason.
Tilak came back next game and blasted
So maybe
but
it's a good decision. Then.
not really I feel like that was too late for them to like just retire
But
him.
MI is also struggling. Right?
MI is also horrible. Hardik although like played like a crazy inning of some I don't know 300 strike rate or something the other day against RCB still lost.
हाँ.
Basically they're getting close and losing, getting close. Like the thing is like if you need like 15 ball 58 or something and then you're losing by 10-15 runs so I don't
you
know.
need Tewatia or someone. Like
yeah
that only he can win you
yeah
the
or
game.
a Rinku. Yeah. Chad boy and Giga Chad is not
Giga
there.
Chad नहीं है तो नहीं होगा.
And one more thing, like Surya is only playing well in matches. Like he's playing well, but he's never taking the team till
He's
the
not
end.
the main character.
He's not the
anymore.
he's no side character energy is a
Surya
lot
भाई
of.
से नहीं चलता ये सब. We need you to be the main
Bhai,
man.
you're Sky. If you're Sky, you have to be main character.
That's right,
You're
dude.
not like you're Milky Way. You're
Chewing
not
gum-
some Andromeda galaxy.
Chewing gum नहीं खा रहे क्या आजकल Sky? The chewing gum is his power.
हाँ गए उसका chewing gum उसको चिपका देना चाहिए उसको बाल पे.
तो कौन किल कर रहा है IPL में अभी?
So, like, see, the good thing is, like, so far, it's not like last year where we thought, like, we'll have 200 plus. A lot of, like, there have been 200 plus
Okay.
goals.
It's a
but
competitive matches. हो
yeah,
रहा है
at
सारे.
least better than before. And I feel like
Flat
KKR
track
also.
bullies नहीं है इतने इस
नहीं
बार.
और फ्लैट ट्रैक बुलीज सबसे नीचे बैठे हुए हैं which is SRH.
Unbelievable. We had predicted SRH सबको पेल देगा.
सब लोग ने पहले वही बोला तो मेन इज द न्यू वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर. We need to discuss the new world order.
US China relations के बारे में बोल रहे
के
हैं?
बारे से भी बड़ा.
ओ क्या हो रहा है?
के पंजाब एंड दिल्ली इज इन टॉप 4.
अरे भाई चक दे फटे.
भाई यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि साल में कुछ बुरा होने वाला है जब आरसीबी, Delhi Capital and Punjab are in
RCB.
top 3. Of course, Donald Trump is going to include tariffs. IPL is the precursor to world politics,
Yeah.
to geopolitics.
It's a prediction of what's coming, what is to come.
Exactly.
It's a microcosm.
Yeah.
तो अगर बट आरसीबी दिस इज क्लासिक, दिस मींस वी आर पीकिंग अर्ली.
Yeah.
आरसीबी पीक हो रहा है अभी.
हाँ, एक ही हारा है अब तक वैसे
एक ही आ रहा
RCB.
है तो मेरे को टेंशन हो रहा है. इफ आरसीबी loses 2 more quickly then we will go till the final. If we win quick we are in trouble.
Yeah, and Kohli has been firing. They're winning in
All
Bombay.
cylinders.
They're winning. I think
Yeah, after 10 years Kohli I mean
after
RCB.
some number of years,
Yeah.
RCB has won in Mumbai. And Chepauk, I don't know what happened. Did they play? Did
They beat CSK.
CSK in Chepauk?
That was earlier only. We had seen that
okay,
game.
हाँ.
I think.
So RCB again, new world order.
But
RCB,
how about this? Ponting went from Delhi to Punjab.
Punjab,
And now Delhi is top of the table. I mean, Punjab is also killing it.
No, Delhi is not. Gujarat is now top. Delhi is number 2.
But they are undefeated, right? Delhi?
Delhi is 3 out of 3. But वो अभी मतलब अगर हाँ, like they basically Gujarat 5 matches 4 wins.
And today, as we're recording, it's Delhi versus RCB. So it's a good game today.
Yeah.
I just looked it up. So we'll see. But
Punjab's also at number.
Punjab is doing well.
हाँ.
But it would be really bad for Ponting अगर Delhi kills it this time.
हाँ.
And if
Punjab
finishes
loses.
lower.
Yeah. Punjab is number 4 right
yeah,
now.
because Ponting, man, he struggled in Delhi. Delhi's worst years were with Ponting.
Ponting.
And Delhi के बहुत खराब साल हुए in general
हाँ.
IPL में सारे ही bad ही years है.
सभी खराब रहा है आज तक.
जर्सी भी बहुत खराब रहा है. Finally थोड़ा
Yeah.
decent है. पर first उनका याद है पहले वाले जर्सी
दिल्ली
बहुत खराब थे.
डेविल्स
उनका
वाले
red वाले
बहुत गंदे थे वो.
गंदे थे.
हाँ.
तब सब गंदा था.
मेरे को सारे ही गंदे लगते हैं except गुजरात टाइटंस एंड KKR.
GT.
And KKR भी अब भी okay है.
KKR का अच्छा
But KKR I like the
black one.
golden.
Black was
In the purple has been nice except like I think Lux Cozy was sponsoring them and I'm like
yeah, it
why?
kills the vibe
Yeah,
of it.
I'm like मैं टी-शर्ट पे कच्चे का लोगो पहन रहा हूँ like
It's like
what the
तू
fuck.
KKR jersey खरीदने जाएगा तो there'll be one price with Lux Cozy and if you want it removed तो price बढ़ जाता है.
Triple price. Triple price हो जाता है.
Why don't you just why doesn't KKR just play in Ganji next time? Just direct Lux Cozy में खेलो ना. That's the ultimate sponsorship.
Yeah, and trainers के थोड़े guns भी दिखे.
That's right, bro.
Yeah.
Suns out, guns out.
Suns down, guns
KKR
out.
कैसे mid table है क्या अभी?
KKR is they got close last game I think against LSG 230 4 रन से हारे हैं कुछ 239 that to win 234. Fuck, for someone who doesn't enjoy IPL, I'm watching it every day because I have nothing going on in life.
अच्छा.
I have an iron deficiency which I thought was depression for the last 15 days. 20
तो गोइंका का अच्छा love sex गोइंका that is LSG. Love sex गोइंका bro LSG. New name for the team.
Goenka is also middler only right now. Kolkata and Lucknow is middler.
ऋषभ पंत को डांटा है क्या अब तक इसने?
हाँ स्टार्टिंग में डाटा ना तब भी तो बोले और फिर KL आया और फर्स्ट मैच में उसने बाय द वे उसकी डॉटर हुई तो नहीं था
राहुल
हाँ and then the match he came back in
Yeah.
not against these guys scored some 60-70 runs and he's like और
revenge
revenge time.
सही है dude सही है.
So things are changing. Things are happening. I am excited.
Yeah.
Usually I don't say this. Otherwise I just hate on the
This
IPL.
is good यार because I missed the IPL's beginning. मेरा थोड़ा अंदर से अभी excitement हो रहा है.
तू अभी देखना because मैं जा रहा हूँ
हाँ, तू
ऑस्ट्रेलिया
जाएगा,
and न्यूजीलैंड.
We'll take turns ना. मैं
बाद-
देखूंगा IPL. तेरे को
हाँ.
बताऊंगा क्या हो रहा है.
मैं actually
अंतरिक्ष को भी देखना चाहिए. Start watching cricket. We need your insights, bro.
yeah and you should watch IPL. It's a good start
Yeah.
for cricket noobs.
This is like nowhere in India do you need to tell. No Indian has to tell another Indian you should start watching IPL. It's this
Yeah.
little thing we have called Indian Premier League. But सही है और कुछ off the ground क्या चल रहा है
Off
भाई?
the
कुछ-
ground एक
कुछ
ग्राउंड पे चल
drama?
रहा है एक आदमी दिग्वेश राठी.
Oh yes क्या I've heard memes देखा
signature
मैं
कर रहा
उसका.
है जो कुछ तो साइन करता रहता है हर जगह.
उसके सारे मैच
उसी
फीस
का
he has
गोइंका
lost.
का ही है वो.
उसने मैच फीस सारे खो दिए अब तक.
हाँ
ऐसे
ना,
कुछ सुना
ऐसे
मैं कि
हाँ कुछ तो हो रहा है उसके बारे में.
थोड़ा मतलब LSG is not winning the fair play award या जो भी होता है
फॉर
उनका.
श्योर एंड आई थिंक गोइंका उसको अलग से पैसा देगा कि भाई जीताते रहे तो मैं तेरे मैच फी देता रहूंगा जो सिग्नेचर करना
So
है.
LSG the new bad boys of IPL, is that the headlines?
Yeah.
LSG the new bad boys.
Yeah, LSG is the new Goenka, the baddest boy of them all. But he looks only like such a teacher, you know. He looks like a.
Yeah.
He either looks like a teacher
He
or
looks
he looks
like-
like my first family doctor.
He looks like yeah, family doctor is a good one.
My doctor Bandotkar.
थोड़ा
doctor.
लाल कृष्ण आडवाणी वाला मुस्टैच है.
हाँ.
थोड़ा वो LK का मुस्टैच भी है. And
But I'm sure, like at LSG, the employees have to do a Nazi salute when they see him. Like there is like some Sahara Shri energy going.
Hey, is
Energy going ka. Sorry.
LSG sponsored by any Gudka or anything?
LSG.
I just फिर love sex Gudka हो सकता है ऐसे इसलिए I'm only thinking in terms of acronyms right now.
No, My 11 Circle लिखा है
Oh, My 11 Circle. दादा का फेवरेट बैटिंग ऐप मतलब मेरा फेवरेट बैटिंग ऐप. दादा जो भी जहाँ भी दादा पैसा लगाते हैं मैं डबल लगाता हूँ बिकॉज 2 crores जीत सकते हो.
नहीं अभी बढ़ गया है 3 हो गया है
3 हो गया. सवाल 10 करोड़ का पहुंचने वाले हैं हम.
बहुत जल्दी भाई बहुत जल्दी. अमिताभ भी
Do you remember सवाल 10 करोड़ का was a show which came for a bit?
Yeah,
जब वो फट गया था KBC फिर गोविंदा का शो आया था बोलो छप्पर फाड़ के समथिंग जीतो छप्पर फाड़ के एंड देन आई थिंक ऐसे 2-3 थे और फिर सवाल 10 करोड़ का आया था 10 crore वाला फ्लॉप शो एकदम.
Who was hosting it?
I can't remember, but if you guys remember, comment in chats. It was in the 2000s, I'm guessing.
Anupam Kher.
Anupam Kher was the host.
Say something to Anupam.
नहीं वो तो अलग है.
नहीं, but it is.
Say something.
And Manisha Koirala.
Manisha Koirala
was your another
my
Bengal.
boy, TMC boy.
TMC boy.
BQC and TMC. Bonita quiz contest. To see TMC.
Okay, so anyway, what are we talking about? तो ऑफ द फील्ड तो ये दिग्वेश राठी का एक सीन हो रहा है. माही भाई का पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. साक्षी बोल रहे लिप रीड कर रहे थे कि शी सेइंग लास्ट मैच और समथिंग. और
माही भाई के पेरेंट्स फर्स्ट टाइम आए थे देखने गेम आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम. ये
बहुत ही खराब खेला था. माही भाई थोड़ा स्टैट पैडिंग कर रहे हैं अभी.
माही भाई मतलब जैसे पेरेंट्स टीचर्स मीटिंग दिन पे मतलब फेल हो गया था रिपोर्ट कार्ड पे व्हिच इज नॉट अ गुड डे कि दैट्स द डे टू परफॉर्म.
माही भाई उस दिन 14th ओवर में आ गए या 15th ओवर में एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ शिट इतना तो मैं नहीं देख सकता अब उनको. लाइक इवन लाइक आई एम नॉट यूज्ड टू इट. लाइक
मतलब एंकर रोल पे आ गए. 6 overs of Mahi Bhai is like way too much.
Yes, but at the end of it he manages to score at a good strike rate. But it doesn't matter. But because the team
not out भी रहते हैं ना
usually. हाँ तो team has lost already. So it's like so that is happening. Apart from
there's
that,
a lot of I'm noticing from without watching IPL जो info आता है कि it's a lot of too much fandom of one person over the team कि धोनी is
Bro, Chennai has been embarrassing to watch for me personally. Like as a Mahi Bhai fan, I'm like, bhai, please बंद करो अभी आप.
Yeah, it's what a way to go out. Like why not leave on a high, right?
Yeah.
Dhoni has to leave on a high, and we have to figure out how to get him that high now. Again, because अब तो खराब ही चल रहा है.
और उसको 2 सीजन में ये परफेक्ट मौका मिला था जब वो जीते थे.
जब जड्डू ने जिता दिया तुम्हें
मोहित शर्मा के अगेंस्ट.
मोहित शर्मा और हार्दिक ने जिता है by giving advice. Basically हार्दिक ने मोहित को बोला भाई धोनी 2 का परफेक्ट एंडिंग मिल गया है. जल्दी खत्म कर एंड मे बी मेरे को रोल मिल जाएगा एज माई सेल्फ. मिल गया एंडिंग फिर भी तुम खेल रहे हो. अभी एंडिंग क्या होगा मूवी का? अभी पोस्ट क्रेडिट सीक्वेंस चल रहा है. बहुत ही खराब पोस्ट क्रेडिट.
Go watch विराट कोहली's movie.
Like he has to have someone carry him to another trophy. The only way I
which
can
is
see
not
this
possible
happening
this series.
is that maybe there'll be a new IPL franchise next year from Ranchi.
Yeah.
And Dhoni will captain that to the trophy. Non-playing captain. NPC okay जीतेगा last एक trophy.
और पता है मेरे को पता है क्या लगता है लाइक अभी जैसे अजिंक्य रहाणे killing it. Okay, killing it for मतलब as a batsman and still they are crediting, they are like this is what CSK does for you. CSK is धोनी भाई के साथ अगर आप खेलोगे तो CSK
क्लासिक
आपकी बैटिंग
हमारे पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट कि हम आइडल वर्शिप में ही मतलब निकल जाते हैं हमारा लाइफ.
तू ऑस्ट्रेलिया कैसे पहुंचा? माही भाई के वजह से.
दैट्स ट्रू. वो तो है. विदाउट माही भाई आई कुडंट होल्ड माय हेड अप हाई एनीवेयर.
यही चले जा रहा है कब से. ये वही चढ़ाए जा रहे हैं कब से.
इंडिविजुअल्स ओवर द कलेक्टिव. हमारा लाइफ यही है.
हाँ.
And it's a sad situation. By the way, if you guys are wondering where the cat is, Billy Bowden is taking a nap. She's real calm right now.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy. I don't know about others. She's right here. Photo डाल देंगे हम proof. तू photo ले ले उसका.
Our POV photo.
Just so you know.
She's there.
Yeah. In fact, तू वीडियो भी निकाल सकता है. मैं बताता हूँ.
एक सेकंड में वीडियो निकाल रहा हूँ guys.
Yeah, this is proof. अंतरिक्ष ये वीडियो on air डाल देना. कि Billy Bowden. This is by the way a Chennai crowd when Dhoni comes to bat these days. All right. Actually not when he comes but when he's done.
जो Joji.
Ali, she responded. How sweet.
So yeah.
ठीक है.
Okay,
तो
video done. Unlike your press conference, I'm like, I hope I pressed.
thank you so much.
Ah.
तो ठीक है, अभी तो this is just the beginning
It's
of the
like
tournament.
it's like everyone's played 4-5 games.
How many will they play by the end? 16, 17 games.
15, yeah. हाँ, they play a lot.
बहुत
चलता
बहुत
रहेगा
बाकी
May
है.
end तक.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है
मेरे
दोस्त.
दिमाग में कि 25th या like whatever that last week of May तक चलने वाला है.
मेरे गट फीलिंग है कि SRH will turn this around somehow. I feel they will recover.
SRH will turn this. Oh, actually, I mean they have
Because
the team.
they have the crazy hitters.
Yeah.
They have to do something.
Yeah, and Klaasen is like on fire. Like he's my personal favorite because
He
fucking
batters the ball, dude.
dude, he's like sometimes he's hitting like ऐसा offside पे भी drives and all, and I'm like, you know, you're not like Nicholas Puran. I'm like ठीक है भाई, ये
Nicky P.
hitter है, Nicky P मारेगा भाई दूर. ये दूर भी मारता है. एक तो ये
पास
स्पिनर
भी
को पिक भी जल्दी करता है. ये फिर ऐसा elegant drive भी दिखा
दूर
रहा
भी
है.
मारूंगा, पास भी मारूंगा.
He's like MSG. बॉलर भी मैं, फील्डर भी मैं, बैट्समैन भी मैं, विकेट कीपर भी मैं, अंपायर भी मैं, थर्ड अंपायर भी मैं, और बॉलर भी मैं.
निकोलस क्लासन इंसान है उसका नाम. ठीक है.
ये प्लीज एडिट आउट कर देना. मैंने लास्ट में बोला इसके unnecessary for
MS गोनी बोल रहा था ना तू. मनप्रीत गोनी के बारे में बोल रहा था. द लेजेंड ऑफ द फर्स्ट फ्यू सीजंस ऑफ IPL.
सीजन 2 onwards.
मुझे बस यही याद है कि मनप्रीत गोनी का बॉडी तो बहुत बड़ा है. बस यही याद है. और बहुत इतना बड़ा बॉडी लेके मीडियम पेस बॉल कर रहा है, यही मेरे को याद है.
भाई मनप्रीत गोनी इंडिया के लिए भी खेला आफ्टर दैट फॉर सम थोड़ा टाइम. हाँ, 2-3.
राहुल शर्मा भी खेला, मेरे को याद है.
राहुल शर्मा तो आई थिंक वर्ल्ड कप खेला है, if I'm not wrong.
कुछ तो किया था.
नहीं,
But his
वर्ल्ड कप
real-
नहीं खेला. वर्ल्ड कप नहीं खेला आई थिंक.
नहीं, he played
खेला है.
some try series type कुछ तो खेला था.
I think
Champions
but I
Trophy-
think he's played in Australia for some reason. I
Did he play-
remember.
Did he play like a Champions Trophy or a T20 World Cup, something like that?
और you're right, ट्राई सीरीज भी हो सकता
He
है.
played something which was important. Like
Comments में बताओ what has Rahul
Rahul
Sharma
Sharma,
played.
I know his peak was recently in the
And-
Legends series where he took a
Yeah.
hat trick or something, or he cried, which is insane to do in a Legends
And Dhoni,
series.
you know, Legends League is looking for a captain. You know, Sachin wants to give away the captaincy.
You're right. This is the real peak of MSD. This is the ending of MSD, the second movie.
Yeah.
He moves to the real league.
Exactly.
Legends League.
Yeah.
वहाँ पे 200 मारेगा धोनी. ठीक है, पेल देगा सबको. उधर मतलब bowling पता नहीं कौन, लक्ष्मीपति बालाजी बोल करेगा, धोनी पेलेगा. And
That's the ending we need.
the viewership of IPL will go down and Legends League का compete करेगा.
Exactly. You need to uplift the already uplifted, Mahi bhai. You need to do something
Do you
about.
think there'll be a season soon जहाँ पे धोनी will play Legends League, and in that time if Virat also plays one series, so if the Virat and Dhoni play Legends League,
That's dream for me.
I think TRPs will shift completely to Legends
Yeah.
League. India में तो mainly हम Legends को ही देखते हैं. We don't care about the new up and
Exactly.
coming people.
Talking about that, Rohit Sharma, yet another off season.
रोहित शर्मा मतलब उनका डाइट में डक बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है अभी. डक बहुत ज्यादा खा रहे हैं रोहित
Duck
भाई.
paw. Duck paw खा रहे हैं
उस पे
हमारे.
memes आ रहा है about Maxwell and Rohit Sharma. They are fighting it out for number of ducks.
Ducks,
Every day
yeah.
they are beating each other. They are like, it's just let's enjoy both. जो बोलते हैं ना मेसी और रोनाल्डो, let's
Yeah.
not choose. Let's enjoy both the legends while we have them.
Yeah.
इन दोनों का डक सीरीज चल रहा है अभी. पीकिंग डक खा रहे हैं लोग.
So
हाँ.
that is happening as well. लेजेंड्स की बात करें तो माही भाई शुड रिटायर. ऐसे मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, ऐसे आवाम कह रही है, चेन्नई की आवाम कह रही है. भाई जब ऑनलाइन माही भाई ट्रोल होने लग जाए
That's crazy.
तो समझ जाओ कि पीआर भी नहीं
I'm
है.
not ready for this.
Yeah.
माही भाई को we can't troll यार. He
Yeah.
must leave a legend.
Yeah.
Uh,
But a legend should also leave us at the right time.
तो कौन है यंग स्टार्स, कौन है अभी?
Priyansh Arya scored a century.
Okay.
Who's some very young boy. I think he's played like Delhi Premier League only before this. And उसका एक दो कैच भी छूटा. But yeah, मतलब he's killing it since. Preeti Zinta very happy, always smiling. You know, always good sight to watch.
Always hoping for
Pre-
good for Preeti Zinta's
Preeti
team.
Zinta because she was always like.
Yeah, she's always been a favorite.
Yeah, and she wrote like a big tweet. It was beyond special. Witnessed an explosive game of birth of a bright star. 24-year-old Priyansh Arya.
Nice.
You know, he was quite. She met him a couple of days ago. Quiet, shy, unassuming. Did not utter a word throughout the evening.
अच्छा.
क्या बात है यार.
Just let his back
When
do
you
the
want to be an
talking.
IPL owner, be Preeti,
That's right.
not Sanjeev.
Love sex Goenka.
So Priyansh Arya is one. Sai Sudarshan is doing, of
Sai
course.
Sudarshan.
Yeah, he's been doing well.
मैं सिर्फ इयन बिशप के वॉइस में साई सुदर्शन बोलता हूँ. साई सुदर्शन. कार्लोस ब्रैथवेट. बस यही दो पता है मेरे को.
And even Sai Kishore is like doing really well.
Bro, Sai's are killing it right now.
Sai's are killing
Gangnam
it,
Style चल रहा है एकदम. हर जगह साई दिख रहा है मेरे को.
And playing for Gujarat Titans. Gujarat Titans killing it, like using everyone.
Dude, I don't think
properly.
Gujarat Titans has had a bad season yet. They-
Last season maybe they weren't as
Sure, but
good.
didn't they still make it to the playoffs? Or did they not?
Possible actually. I need to check. I
Matlab,
don't remember.
if not, that's the only season they've not made
Yeah,
it so
before
far.
that they were final, and before that I think they were
They
champions
won.
also.
They
right?
won the
Yeah.
first season. They came. Second season final. Losing finals.
Yeah, and now also they are in top.
GT
So everyone's
bhai.
saying कि if I'm not wrong, Ashish Nehra is GT.
Bro, Ashish Nehra is a legend,
So
dude.
they are saying कि अभी
My
Ashish.
favorite. Ashish Nehra's wife likes my stand-up, so I'm a big fan of Ashish
Oh
Nehra.
yeah, she likes.
She has liked my videos, तो मैं बोल रहूँगा कि आशीष
Shout
नेहरा
out to
for
Ashish
life.
Nehra.
आशीष नेहरा सर, आप प्लीज आ जाइए हमारे पॉडकास्ट पे. फनीएस्ट क्रिकेटर इन इंडिया फॉर
Yeah.
श्योर. लव टू हैव यू ऑन. हम लोग
Guy
भी
with no hang-ups.
हम लोग भी टोपी बैकवर्ड्स पहन के करेंगे एक एपिसोड आपके साथ. इफ यू
दांत बाहर निकाल के.
Yeah,
Have
let's
you
have
seen
you
that AI video of Sachin in that commentary box in one of those India Pakistan games where AI voice पे
बैट का ग्रिप किया क्या?
बैट का grip type का, but the joke is basically Sachin and Ganguly and maybe someone is like, एक बार आशीष नेहरा bowling कर रहे थे, हाँ अंपायर ने नो बॉल दिया, तो आशीष नेहरा बोला मेरा पैर तो अंदर है, तो बोला अंपायर बोला तेरा दांत तो बाहर है. हाँ.
एक बार. भाई I miss those days. मेरा one of my greatest memories of life is hearing Sachin from the stands saying no to a second run in a cricket match because वो high pitch shriek जो करता था Sachin no जो मेरे को एकदम live सुनाई दिया. I'll never
क्या
forget.
बात कर रहा है?
हाँ, Sachin refusing a second run is a sound I'll remember forever.
And Mahibur refusing the second run as well is a sound I want to see. I want to see.
My bhai, when he refuses the second
Here.
run, the sound comes from the crowd. Ki, yeah, Dhoni bhai is still on strike. Still a brilliant strategist, I'm sure,
Oh, man.
considering what he's doing for the environment.
Yeah, he's done a good
He's
job.
the Greta
Yeah,
Thunberg
people-
of IPL.
Yeah, I think the caption for this episode should be Dhoni 2.0 movie or something.
That's right.
Some clickbait we need.
Dhoni 2.0, the conclusion. Question mark. But क्या है
Yeah,
conclusion?
yeah.
नहीं पता है. ठीक है.
yeah,
और कुछ?
I think करना है कुछ predict and all because then वही गाली खाएंगे हम लोग.
हाँ,
फिर
गाली
से.
तो anyway खाएंगे कि क्या भाई, सॉरी नहीं देखा हमने अब तक IPL. इसने देखा है काफी. तो
Prasidh Krishna, the silent superstar in GT's
Prasidh
mix and match
Krishna.
attack is what these guys are saying. Quick info.
अच्छा, bowling में कौन kill कर रहा है मैच?
सिराज, नूर,
नूर.
प्रसिद्ध भी अच्छा ही डाल
प्रसिद्ध.
रहा है. रुक जा मैं और देखता हूँ कौन है. मतलब
What about हमारा Hazelwood?
हेजलवुड भी अच्छा डाल रहा है तो है ही. From what I remember, one of the games I remember he bowled well. I think against Mumbai only he got Hardik Pandya and one more wicket.
And usually
but उसको
he's
पहले चोपा भी
economical.
हार्दिक
और
पांड्या
चोपा गया
चोपा
उसको.
उसको पहले फिर उसने हार्दिक का विकेट
I respect anyone who Hazelwood को चोप सकता है.
I'm very
because-
surprised that I know these things.
Yeah, you've been watching it.
I've been
bro.
watching. Yeah, I think I've nothing. Noor is Hardik Pandya, Noor, Sai Kishore, Mohammad
Kishore.
Siraj, Khalil bowling well.
I'm gonna start
5
watching.
and 5 wickets, but
तूने मेरा थोड़ा enthuse बढ़ा दिया अभी
yeah, मजा
IPL.
तो आ रहा है.
I'm watching. I'm gonna watch, guys. Next
Sorry, 10,
episode,
Khalil
I'll be
10
telling
wickets,
Dudeja what's happening in the IPL.
Yeah.
तो मैं देखता हूँ अब से.
Hazelwood also 4 matches, 8 wickets. Krishna also, Prasidh Krishna. So see now, like if you look at it, like if you have Sai Kishore, Mohammad Siraj and Krishna who are in like the top 10 bowlers of highest wicket takers, suddenly, and that's why maybe the article of Prasidh the silent superstar, mix and match. I mean, yeah, great. GT so far. doing a
Solid,
great
dude.
job.
Solid.
Yeah.
ठीक है, सही है. Just before we end, let's see.
And Washi is like playing beach में for them. So they still have Washi also.
Washi is just a wild card, dude.
Yeah.
Washington Sundar में कुछ X factor तो है, like Hardik has. Like, you know, this guy can just turn a game.
Yeah.
So you always let him. it's almost like it feels like he's up to him. उसको mood है तो आज कर देगा वो.
But also up to the selectors to fucking play him in the IPL. Like, what the fuck is
Yeah,
that?
what is happening?
Like, he's not playing. He's definitely going to play for India.
What is
like, I
what's
mean, he's
this
played for
logic?
India also, but he is going to at some point
he's
be
a
a good
match winner.
definite
Yeah.
11. Yeah.
Give the chance to the youngsters before they. Now it's like India में we keep saying youngsters को chance दो, and when they get the chance they're not a youngster anymore.
Yeah.
वो middle age पहुंच गए हैं, तो अभी chance मिल रहा है. अभी हनुमा विहारी age में chance मिलेगा उसको.
हम लोग को लग रहा है हनुमा बुड्ढा है और मेरे से 6 महीना 8 महीना छोटा है.
तो हाँ ठीक है. इस
okay.
weekend में बड़े games है कुछ. So since we are here,
every weekend मुंबई थोड़ी वीकडे पे खेलता है भाई. मुंबई इज ओनली वीकेंड बॉयज.
That's right. Weekend warriors.
वीकेंड का वार, as सलमान भाई would like to say. जशन का जशन. जशन का जशन. Okay. ठीक है. Tomorrow Saturday, but this episode tomorrow's
not
Friday.
Saturday.
Sorry. When are we releasing this?
Antriksh, can we release this by tomorrow or day
tomorrow?
after?
Saturday
okay.
morning if we can release. Okay. ठीक है.
So let's
should we
let's assume it's coming out on Saturday. So either
Saturday evening match let's do.
ठीक है.
SRH versus Punjab Kings. Tough one because SRH bad form.
bad form. Punjab in
Punjab
decent
good
form.
Shreyas also killing for them.
Shreyas Iyer.
Yeah. Captain. So but okay. Chal,
Ineffable. Mr. Ineffable.
Oh yeah.
It was an ineffable feeling.
Yeah.
GRE boy Shreyas Iyer.
What GRE boy?
GRE मतलब जहाँ पे बड़े words use कर. It's the exam to get
Oh,
into
US.
पढ़ने
Okay.
में. तो उसमें बड़े words use करने पड़ते
क्या
हैं.
बात कर रहे हैं?
Ineffable is one of them.
हमारा तो मेरा तो नहीं होने वाला भाई GRE. Okay.
हाँ.
Uh,
क्या लगता है? Is this
I'm
the game?
saying SRH. I'm saying this is the game where SRH.
I will also double down. हम लोग SRH को इतना back कर रहे हैं 2-3 episodes से. This is the episode they break the shackles.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, Preeti Zinta's smile थोड़े time के लिए will be reduced, but they'll bounce back.
But Kavya will smile on the other hand.
As
It
long
is-
as someone in the crowd, as long as there's a pleasant smile in the
Yeah.
crowd, हम खुश हैं.
Yeah, that's why no Sanjeev Goenka should win. I don't know. He just seems like some very corporate, like he would like delay your invoice or something, like for a payment,
Yeah, I think
because you
Preeti
didn't send
Zinta
like
seems-
some blood report or something.
Preeti Zinta seems like advance, पूरा 100% advance payment कर देगी.
Priyansh Arya, that's why happy.
That's right.
Okay,
हाँ,
so
और?
SRH. Okay,
Yeah, and then
there
Sunday?
is Rajasthan versus RCB. I'm going with Rajasthan.
Of course, you will go with Rajasthan. You know who I don't have to give you a prediction.
Yeah, that's why I'm going for
I'm speaking
Rajasthan.
from here.
So that there is some rivalry.
This is
next
the
week.
Royal Rumble, the two Royals. And
But I will miss both the games. Because
you
I'll
will be
in
traveling
flight,
to
yeah.
Melbourne
So
now,
please tell me
where I
whatever
just came
happens.
from.
Shamik, give me update.
100%.
Or people DM me on Instagram.
I'll be watching this one. Please DM Dudeja. Please DM me also कि भाई don't miss the game. मेरे को message कर दो तुम.
And
Because
okay, there's
मेरे को
one
देखना
more match.
पड़ेगा.
Delhi Capital versus Mumbai.
Oh.
And I'm backing Mumbai this time.
The capital derby, commercial capital versus national capital. I'm
yeah.
just creating derbies for no reason.
बनाते रहे भाई.
I think you're of course saying Mumbai.
Mumbai.
I'm
I'm going
saying-
with the underdogs this week.
I'm saying Delhi is staying undefeated for a while right
Oh,
now, which
4
means
on 4.
आज they will beat RCB also, which is sad.
अच्छा, so you're saying 5-on-5.
Yeah, because Delhi has suffered enough losses. मैं उनका जब cover कर रहा था उनका season last year or was it last year? I can't even remember. They lost like 5 or 6 in a row.
हाँ.
This is the balancing act. अभी उन लोग
By
will
they
win.
have to balance for the last 18 years. So this 5 matches is not going to
they
balance.
are going to be undefeated from now till next 3 IPLs. 3 back-to-back trophies.
Yeah.
No, Delhi is in form. I'm hoping it continues.
I'm going for Mumbai because I feel this weekend is a weekend of upsets. Of all the old world order maybe trying to come back.
भाई तू तो
You know.
इस टाइम पे सिंगापुर एयरलाइंस का खाना खाने वाला है जब
Trump
यहाँ-
taking back the tariff of 125%. While we are recording, I think it's at
मेरा
125%.
पोर्टफोलियो
China.
का अपेरेंटली वाट लग गया मैं
भाई, मैंने
मैं
तो
फॉलो
देखा
भी
भी
नहीं
नहीं
कर रहा हूँ
है।
मैं एक आंख से देख रहा हूँ
मैं भी नहीं देख रहा हूँ.
मेरा जो बंदा है ही इज लाइक ही इज यूजुअली लाइक डोंट वरी ऑल गुड
आँख फोड़ दो
और
अपनी.
अभी कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है वो तो पता नहीं मेरे को क्या चल रहा है बट
आँख फोड़ दो अपनी.
we would just request you guys ki this is a good time to tune into the podcast get us to 2K subscribers. We are at 1.79 right now.
1.79 means 1,700.
90 bro.
Yeah? Oh wow, I
So
thought
we
we
are
were
close.
1,079.
नहीं please don't bring us down abhi. तो 2K तक ले जाओ, थोड़े comments करो यार. You've been doing very well on the comments, guys.
Yeah,
honestly.
we must give you something.
And we need you, since we are missing for a week. Give us any comments. Tell us what we missed in the interaction in this episode. क्या
Yeah.
हुआ है जो हमने बात नहीं किया. The bigger stories in cricket. And next week we'll be back with another episode.
Yes.
I'll be watching the IPL now, religiously, or semi-religiously.
Ambati Raidu has put up a tweet before we leave. I was a Thalas fan. I am a Thalas fan. I will always be a Thalas fan. No matter what anyone thinks or does, it will not make a 1% difference. So please stop spending money on paid PR and donate that to charity. Lot of underprivileged people can benefit. This is on some other show where people are paying money and making jokes on, I don't know, some super chat thingy.
Oh.
There's something happening. Please give us context for that actually.
But I know this Ambati Raidu पे ये चल रहा है कि बहुत favoritism करते रहता है वो.
Yeah, and this is a photo that someone's put up. I'll just show it like this.
Tony finishes off in style. Oh man.
Rabbit internet. I like our audience.
I
आप
love
कितना
it.
भी गाली दे दो, ये इससे तो better
I
है.
love it. I think थोड़ा neutral. Time for some neutral commentary.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for Amitabh Bachchan to tweet something against Ambati Raidu, and then Ambati Raidu gets cancelled.
Even out of context, cricket is a funny. I got back on Twitter after the whole comedy controversy, and I've been following out of context cricket. It's a lot of fun. The other day, Shami threw a ball at
saw that. उसके मारा है ना?
Siraj, and like,
Siraj.
oh shit, कौन मारा? Like
Yeah.
that's sweet.
That's just respect from a senior to a
Yeah.
junior in India. Passing on the ball. But ठीक है, I think we've covered everything we could cover. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please give us 75 comments. Last time we didn't get there. इस बार let's get for it.
75.
Let's go for 75 guys. Let's do it.
Let's-
And ठीक है, थोड़ा criticism देना है तो दो, but थोड़ा compliments दे दो if possible.
Yeah, बताओ कि हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया जा रहे हैं.
Remember ये time
कोई-
pass podcast है. If you want real stats,
Go watch
Crick Buzz.
Crick Buzz or I don't know.
One of the cricks.
Yeah.
Oh, we are also cricks.
Oh,
but
shit.
I just remember what the name of our podcast is. But ठीक है, tune in hopefully next week when Dureja will be in
Australia.
But we'll do an episode and
I'll do it with an accent.
I'll update
Fuck,
you on
मेरे को
क्या
accent
चल
आता
रहा
ही नहीं
है.
कैसे
कौन सा
करने का.
accent है
मुझे
ये?
भी नहीं पता कैसे करने
It's a
का.
neutral accent.
Yeah.
Cheese, mate.
Nah,
ये ऐसे करना है. Cheese, mate.
Cheers, man. अच्छा
How you
cheers बोलो.
going? No, that was bad. ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं, उधर श्राया बोलते हैं. श्राया. How you going? How you going बोलते हैं, which
Bye.
is sounds like कौन सा mode of transport से जा रहे हो तुम,
Oh,
but it
fuck.
just means how you doing.
Oh,
तो how you going बोलेंगे मतलब how you doing.
doing. हाँ थोड़ा भाई बता दे मुझे.
Cheers और cheers बोल सकता है बहुत. कभी भी cheers बोलेगा खुश रहेंगे.
क्या
हम
बात
लोग
कर
कि
रहे हैं?
चलो cheers बोल
और
दिए.
मंकी बोलूँ कि माकी बोलूँ वो भी बताना मुझे वहाँ पे.
जो भी है शू पे सॉइल लेके मत
लेके और
जाना.
न्यूजीलैंड नहीं
सेपरेट
पहुंचना.
लाइन पहुंचना पड़ेगा तुझे.
Only legends remember this. If
Yeah.
you are a legend, you will comment.
Many lessons we have learned from Bajji,
Bajji
not just
Pa.
one. Bajji Part keeps teaching
The
us
whole down under lessons of
a
Bajupa.
gift that keeps on giving.
Yeah.
Even today he's all मतलब even recently कुछ किया है Bajji
Yeah,
Pa ने, I
Bajji.
remember. But
Black taxi या कुछ बोल.
कुछ तो बोले यार.
Jofra Archer का is as expensive as London's
थोड़ा
black taxi.
थोड़ा गलत बोल दिया था Bajji Pa ने, but
I mean, yeah, I'm sure he didn't mean to say like black taxi.
yeah,
like,
and Bajji
like,
Pa I think he said कि नहीं मैंने black taxi नहीं बोला, मैंने माकी बोला था. Every time his defense is माकी. और इसमें क्या गलती है. But thanks for watching guys. We'll be back next week. Till then keep watching IPL.
Bye.
Cheers.